I would like to invite all of you for the Mega Legal Services Camp scheduled on 11th of January 2020 at Ravindra Bhavan, Sangli. On this day, there will be various stakeholders who would be putting up their stalls. Like for example, we will have the stall of the Fisheries Department, Women and Child Department, then Social Welfare Department, and also I would like to tell you that on this day also there will be services provided like making your Aadhaar cards, making of senior citizens cards. There will also be an e-waste management and collection drive where the people can get their tube lights, laptops, mobiles and deposit towards the end of the day, that is before 4:30, which will be collected by the e-waste management people. So I once again welcome you all for this camp, and I appeal to you to attend to this camp and also take the benefit of whatever services are being offered on that day.
नमस्कार, मी दक्षिण गोवा जिल्हा विधी सेवा प्राधिकरणाची सचिव शुभदा दळवी. 11 जानेवारी 2020 ह्या रोजी सकाळी 9:30 ते संध्याकाळी 5:30 पर्यंत आपलं गोवा राज्य विधी सेवा प्राधिकरण तुमच्यासाठी, आमच्यासाठी, सर्वांसाठी, सर्व गोवेकरांसाठी घेऊन येत आहे मेगा कॅम्प म्हणजेच महाशिबिर. हे महाशिबिर साखळी रवींद्र भवन येथे घडवून आणण्यात येणार आहे. सकाळी 9:30 ते 5:30 पर्यंत विविध स्टॉलची व्यवस्था तिथे केली जाणार आहे. तसंच लहान मुलांपासून तरुण मंडळी आणि सिनियर सिटीजन्स म्हणजेच ज्येष्ठ नागरिक या सगळ्यांसाठी वेगवेगळ्या योजना ज्या सरकारने कार्यान्वित केलेल्या आहेत त्यांच्याबद्दल तुम्हाला वेगवेगळी स्टॉल्स जी लागलेली असणार आहेत ती तुम्हाला माहिती देणार आहेत. तसंच आरोग्यविषयी, तसंच मोफत कायदा याविषयी तुम्हाला तिथे मोफत ज्ञानही दिलं जाणार व विविध सवलती ज्या सरकारने उत्पन्न केलेल्या आहेत, राबान्वित केलेल्या आहेत, त्याही तुम्हाला त्यांचीही माहिती तुम्हाला देण्यात येईल.
During this entire week, there will be various activities conducted. There will be various stalls at this camp. There will be a stall of Goa Cancer Society where the public can come and get medically checked. Various tests will be done at this stall, and this is free of cost. There will also be a stall of eye check. The public can come and check your eyes at this counter. And there are other departments also at various department stalls. This is a good opportunity for the public where various government departments are coming at the doorstep